I'm in the soft check tool area of my CAM2 Measure, and what I'd like to do is show you guys how to do some archiving of some of the files that you've got either under your Learn Execute or under your soft check tool menu. What I've got is a bunch of files in here. Some of them are kind of old, and what I'd like to do is do a little archiving or a little bit of backing up so that these files just aren't in my way. So what I could do is all of these front console bezel analysis, what I could do is I could highlight and then just control click all of those front console analyses that I've done, and then just go right down here to archive and watch what it does. It just gets rid of those files and actually puts them into this archive section. So they're very easy to extract, and what it does is it just grabs the SCT file and makes a little small archive file out of it. So it doesn't pack the tool like I've shown in the past, or if you haven't seen that module, go ahead and open that as well. Packing the tools is great for archiving all of the file content, the pictures and all the reporting, header file format stuff. All of that will get saved into a pack file format. Whereas here, this is an easier way of just archiving or cleaning up your file structure here. So again, if I just all of a sudden now needed to measure all of these parts again, I could just grab them individually or grab this whole amount here and then unarchive. And then what it does is it actually sends it back into here to make them available for me to measure to. So it's just a quick way of cleaning up this directory structure here with all of these Learn Executes or all of these soft check tools.